be showing you guys what I do in a day when I'm just at home not working. I usually do work on Sundays, but this week they have me working Monday through Friday, so I had today off, and the next week I have Saturday off, and then I have Sunday, have to work on Sunday. I go back to my regular schedule. But today I'm going to be like cleaning my room and just doing what I do when I'm not at work. So if you guys want to see that video, keep on watching. And also Happy New Year. It is finally 2021 and my birthday is in, let me see, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My birthday is in 8 days. Today the 3rd or the 4th? It's the 3rd. It has to be. It's the 3rd, I think. But yeah, so you guys will be seeing this on Wednesday when I post my regular videos. But I just wanted to say Happy New Year's, and I know I look really ugly right now, but you guys will see me get showered. Well, you guys won't see me in the shower, but you know what I mean. I'll clean my room, and then I'm gonna start packing for Vegas because in 8 days I am also leaving. Or no, in 7 days, because I'm leaving after work next Sunday to LA. I'm driving down there. From LA we're going to Vegas. We're going to be flying from LA to Vegas. So yeah, you guys are going to see me start packing. I just kind of want to start like getting my outfits together. I know what I'm going to wear for my birthday, but it's coming in the mail, so I have to wait for that. But I want to like get my other outfits where I'm going to be wearing like not on the night of my birthday, if that makes sense. Yeah, let's stop blabbering and let's get started. So I think I'm gonna be showing like more like the back camera for the rest of this video. This is what we have to work so far. This is not me packing. I was at Bestie's house for the weekend, so I just have to unpack that. But yeah, this is what we're looking at right now, watching James Charles. But yeah, this is what we're gonna be working with. It's not really that dirty, but I just have to like fix my bed. My sister's bed is always fucking messy. I always fix that for her. I just went ahead and I went to go wash clothes. My stuff isn't there anymore, my clothes. But I'm done because I have this dirty clothes I took to Bestie's house, so I'm gonna have to like put that in the washer. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, so let's fucking clean and let's do what we do. Ugh, I look so bad right now. So right now I'm just gonna be doing like my face stuff. I'm gonna brush my teeth, and then I'm gonna wash my face, and I'm gonna use my laser hair removal thing that I have for my face. Then I'm supposed to be doing it 3 times a week, but I've been like slacking on it, but I'm trying to use it more again. Yeah, so that's what we're about to do right now. Excuse the mess a little bit. And yeah. freaking sweaty right now. I sweat easily, so excuse that. You guys can see I'm dripping in sweat. Just about to hop in the shower, and then I'll be right back with you guys, and then we're gonna pack for Vegas. Or we're gonna start packing because I can't pack everything yet. I just want to, like I said, I want to get my outfits together. I'm out of breath. But yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Of the video. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish packing later outfits just for now. I was just like, I'm just gonna put like hell shit, because I'm only staying in Vegas for like 2 days, but I'm going to LA first, and then I'm coming back until Thursday. As we'll see that vlog, it will probably not be on the Wednesday of that next week, but it will probably be maybe Friday. I'll try to get the vlog in that week so you guys can see how Vegas went. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video, this little what I do in a day. Now I'm just gonna finish watching Grey's Anatomy. That's basically what I do for the end of the day. Mind you, it's already like 2, 3 and I haven't even ate yet, so I'm kind of hungry. Probably gonna get some food. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out mine and Bestie's YouTube channel. We posted our Get to Know Us in our channel. First, subscribe to that channel as well. Share it, please. It would mean a lot. And let's make it to 100 subscribers this year. I'm trying to make it my goal. I can't even talk. I'm trying to make it to the goal of 100 subscribers. Maybe by like March, if that's possible. If not, then it's okay. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I love you guys so much. The next time you'll see me will be in LA/Vegas. I love you guys. What the fuck was that? Love you guys so much. Stay blessed. Wear your mask. Stay safe. And see you guys in the next one. Bye.